Big storm just rolled in. Casey's sound asleep, of course. And it's hailing. There's hailstones hitting the building. I don't know if you can see it on film. See, there they are. You can definitely hear them. Big storm. You can barely see the city. Wouldn't want to be out on the river today. And Casey's sleeping through it all. Grayson's in his room sleeping.